Welcome back to Owl's Assets. We love stuff and things, fixing broken bits and bobs and utilizing everything. And if it's broke, we'll fix it up.
And if it's rough,
we'll make it perfect. Sit back, relax, and watch the vid. I'm sure you'll find it worth it.
Hi. Tractor. Morning. Welcome back to Owl's Assets. We are just going to check up on our little bird eggs and see what's occurring. Very gently. Well, you know, little baby birds. That was quick. What's that, 2 weeks? That's actually really impressive. Really quick, in fact. Didn't know they got that quick. Anyway. Wander over here. Our bench is still doing really well. This colour, this is a Krylon, actually working really well. Now, unfortunately, for our little turtle eggs, nothing's happened yet, so I think they're going to be a later date. So we'll leave them in there. We just cover them up to stop the water getting too much in there. Right, so yesterday I decided it was a really good idea to make some steps for that, so that I can get in and out and use it as my workroom. And last thing on the agenda today, because it's getting really hot and it's coming up to the end of the day, which is the fence at the end of the driveway. You park your nose of your car against it, so we have a car over there. Got a little bit of landscaping to do, and I've got to move these fellas in here. Plus there's about 12 of them now, so I can split them up and line the front of it along some rocks, which we dug out of the driveway when we were putting the drainage in. So all reusable, all good. Right. Anyway, I was going to spray that up brown in a bit. I might even video that for you. Right, let's go and check up on the kittens. Okay, so this is Mama. Her name's Maybelline. And she's just got over her absolute horror of being in a house and horror of being surrounded by human beings. She's now chilled out a little bit, which is kind of nice. We're just about to witness the climathon. This is little kitty. She's lovely. She's very curious, this one, more so than most of the others. That down there, I'm not sure which one it is. Is that Tim? I think that might be Tim. I'm just checking up to see what Tim's doing. Hey, yeah, hi. See, about 4 days ago I wouldn't have been able to do that. I'm surrounded by little baby babies. Look at that. Right, okay. So this is Tim. His full name is Tim Munchin. This is Jonesy, because he's very, very similar to Jonesy from Alien. We're not sure what to name these two, but I'll tell you what. If you guys want to put two kitten names down, now they're both pretty much that colour. Female as well, they've got to be girls' names. So we've got that one and that one. And nothing has sprung to mind yet about what to name them. That one over there, however, was the most annoying, into everything, nightmare. Hello. She was all over the place, so her name is definitely Mischief. It can't be helped. So we've got Maybelline, Mischief, Tim and Jonesy. Hi. I know. There's no food here yet, is there? And you're disgusted at the fact that you haven't been fed yet. Look at that. Oh my gosh. say so sweet. Hey, what's that? Oh, camera. Hi. Yeah. Here's the mama. Get. Hey, mama. Hi. They're all doing well. They're just starting to change over to hard food, or I should say solid food as opposed to milk. They're almost on the biscuits, but not quite. We did try them, but didn't really like it very much. Ooh. That one's a little late. But Mum is definitely more outgoing now, which is wonderful. Lots and lots of kitties. There's 5 of them. There's a nice little chest hair you've got there. Ooh. I suppose it's alright if you're a female cat. Hi. Oh, air. Which reminds me, I've got to fix that air conditioning unit. New plug time. Hey, sweetie. Even Mama's mew isn't terrible. Our 2 boys mew like someone's about to come and kill you. It's yeah, it's quite a weird noise. Anyway, I'm going to let these guys get fed. But if you want to see more, post a comment. And remember, you've got to name this one, and you've got to name this one. Now, side by side. You gonna eat me? Are you? Fun cat. She likes the beef. Hi. Sweet little faces. Right. Oh, okay, Mama. I'm gonna let you do your thing. You're going on to YouTube.